Hello, and welcome to the second tutorial on using SBE Electric's Timesheet app. This tutorial will cover basics, from logging into the app to navigating within it. When you first open the app, you'll be greeted with this login screen. There are two boxes, one for your company email address, and one for your Timesheet app password. But please note that, while similar to how you log in with your company email account, these two things are not necessarily the same. Once you receive your password via email, you can log in with it. You'll press the login button to submit your credentials and to start using the app. If your login was not accepted, it will say invalid underneath and prompt you to try again. If at any time you're having trouble logging in, ensure that there are no spaces in your email and that you typed your password correctly. If you're still not able to log in after that, contact the technology department to assist you further. Once logged in, the app will load in all the data it needs to operate, and it will show you any events you've already logged that day. This may take a bit to complete. You'll know it's finished when the loading bubble disappears. Now that everything's loaded in, I can introduce you to the main components of the app. On the left-hand side, we have our interactive sidebar. Each of the icons represents a different tool at your disposal. We'll cover each tool in depth in another tutorial, but to get acquainted, this is what each icon stands for. At the top, we have our Summaries viewer, which expands to show you all of your daily totals. It also contains a link to quickly submit a bug, if you find one. Next, we have the New Event tool, which allows you to clock in and out of jobs. Underneath that, we have our Camera tool, which is still undergoing construction and will be available in a future update. After that, we have our Event viewer, where you can see things you've done in the past. Following that is the Error Logger tool, which allows you to submit corrections on events you may have messed up on. Second to last is the Notice viewer, which, again, is another component that's still under construction. Finally, we have the Reload button. This is to be used if something goes wrong with the app. You can just press the Reload button and the page will reload. If that still doesn't fix your problem, try force closing the app and reopening it. On the right-hand side of the app, we have a list of events that we've logged today. Events will appear as blocks, with the type at the very top and any other details below that. We'll go over what all of this information means in another tutorial. And with that, we'll conclude this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day.